This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable embedded content in the Thorium Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium Web Browser opened up now. To enable or disable embedded content, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down toward the bottom to where it says Site Settings, and you want to click on Site Settings. And on this page, you want to scroll down just a little ways, down to where you see the Permission section. And in the Permission section, right here, Embedded Content, it says Sites can ask to use info they have saved about you. If you click on that, default behavior, sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is probably toggled on. Sites can ask to use your info they've saved about you. If you want to disable that, you would toggle on the bottom one. Sites are blocked from asking you to use your info that they've saved about you. Down below that, you can customize behavior for particular websites, but the main feature is right up here, the default behavior. That is how to enable or disable embedded content on the Thorium Web Browser. Thanks for watching.